Hi, I'm Caitlin from LevelSense, and today I'll be showing you how to install your LevelSense Pro. Before we get started, I would just want to go over some key features of the LevelSense Pro, so you know what to expect when you set it up. The LevelSense Pro detects leaks and high water levels. It also tracks high humidity, low temperature, and power loss. When any of these are detected, the LevelSense will alert you and include many unique notification options, such as the ones being shown. LevelSense Pro is a home protector and should not be used for outside sumps. The LevelSense also includes a built-in rechargeable battery and allows for you to check the depth of the water anytime online. When first opening the box, it will contain your LevelSense Pro manual. Next, it will open your LevelSense Pro device. The box includes the plastic float bracket that will be used for the float switch. These are the self-adhesives used for mounting, as well as a DC jack to power it on with. This is the optional leak sensor. This is the optional level sensor. This is the float switch. And finally, these are the zip ties that you will use. For most people, mounting to the discharge pipe or nearby PVC pipe is the easiest option. You can start this installation by putting two self-adhesive mounting squares on the back of the device. Next, put these zip ties through the mounting square openings. Next, you will apply the zip ties to the pipe and tie it tight. Next, you will do the same with the bottom one. When installing sensors to the LevelSense Pro, unscrew the terminals first. Insert the wires into the terminal block and screw to secure tightly. Make sure to repeat this step for each sensor you set up for your device. Make sure the sensor wire is securely attached to the discharge pipe to avoid it being sucked into the pump. When doing this, put the sealed end of the sensor wire as far down the pipe as possible. Next, you will install the float sensor above the normal pump water line and use it to detect when the water level has reached a point above normal operating range. The float sensor will install on the pump discharge pipe. Make sure the sliding float portion is face down. Mount the float about 6 inches above the sump pump's normal water line. Insert the leak sensor wires into the LevelSense terminal block. Ensure the sensor is placed flat on the floor with metal sensing elements down. Make sure all the wires are securely fastened to the PVC pipe to ensure that there is no extra wire resting inside the pump. Connect the AC wall adapter to a standard 120 VAC power outlet. Connect the DC jack of the power supply to the LevelSense Pro control. Upon the power up, the cloud LED indicator will pulse white. I hope this video helped with installing your LevelSense Pro. To find out how to connect your device to Wi-Fi and finish the setup, click the link down below. For any other questions, please feel free to call us at 314-787-8059 or visit us online at www.level-sense.com. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more Level Sense videos.